Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called the Glen Cottage. It is played here in the key of G major and 2/4 time. This is my interpretation of the tune called the Glen Cottage. It is played here in the key of G major and 2/4 time.
He's a superstar and he scores 250 goals and he's given me as a little supporter some of the greatest nights of my life watching him and what he's done. And that's why we accept it. But also then we think of the ego of these type of players, Ronaldo, Messi, Mbappe, Mo Salah. I think they have a feeling that the success of a football club is down to them. Now, I have no problem with that, because I think that drives them on to score more goals and get more success, and it benefits.
If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.